everyone, I'm Rashmi. Welcome back. We are learning Vedic maths these days for 2 months. We have given break to the languages Russian, Spanish, and English, and now we are learning Vedic maths. So, what did we learn in the last class? We were actually on the topic multiplication with the nines, right? So let's do a quick revision. So we were on this topic like when both sides are equal, like the multiplicand and multiplier, both the digits are equal, right? Okay, so this one is very easy, very easy, right? So if we have to multiply 999 into 999, what we get? It's 998001. You can do this in seconds, right? What you have to do, the first three nines, okay, this is multiplicand, so you have to subtract 1 from it, and we get 998. And this multiplier, you have to subtract all by 9 and last by 10. Okay, so the first two subtract from 9, last 9 from 10. Okay, so what we get? 001. So just combine them and the answer is 998001. Do check it. Okay, so this is the answer. You can solve this in seconds, right? Okay, so next time if anyone's saying, like anyone giving you this horrifying number multiplication, like 5 times 9 and 5 times 9, do write the answer. You can solve that in seconds. Now what will be the answer of 5 times 9 and 5 times 9? That will be 4 times 9, 8, 4 times 0, 1. It's so easy, damn easy, right? Okay, let's take up another example. Okay, now let's take up another example, another question. We did it in our last class, this also. Okay, so if we have other numbers, okay, apart from 9, we have other numbers, okay, on the multiplicand side, and the multiplier is same 9, okay, but both have the same amount of digits. Okay, so what we gotta do? Okay, in this case, so the question is, you have to multiply 4529, okay, into 4 times 9. 4 digits here, 4 digits here. What we gotta do? Okay, so just subtract 1 from here, and that is 4528, and then the 4528 will be subtracted from these 4 nines, and it will be 5471. Okay, so the answer will be 45285471. Okay, do check it. It's like this. Are you able to solve it in seconds now? If not, do practice. Okay, and let's take up another example. Let's take up another topic. Okay, we are still on the topic multiplications with 9, but this time both sides are not equal. Okay, so there's a twist. Okay, so here in this one, this topic, it's when the multiplicand digits are less than the multiplier digits. Now how are you able to multiply this? Okay, this is not tricky, but okay, so let's take up this one. Okay, so when multiplicand digits are less than the multiplier digits. Okay, so what's the first question? And that is, if you have to multiply 67 into 999, now what will be the answer? Okay, first you have to do the our rule of thumb, and that is LHS and RHS. Okay, to make 2 lines and write LHS and RHS. Okay, now what you have to do? The same. Okay, first for the multiplicand one, just write it down, 67 minus 1, and that is 66, right? Okay, so we are done with our LHS one. Okay, so 66 is for LHS. Now what we gonna do for RHS? Okay, write down the RHS, that is 999, and what you get to do is this, our LHS 66. Okay, we have to subtract now. We have 2 digits, and here 3 digits are there. So what we gotta do is just add 0 before the 66. Okay, not after. Do remember this. Okay, so it will be 999 minus 066. Okay, so what we get the answer? What will be the answer? That is 933, right? So Now combine both of these and the answer is 66933. Okay, do check it. It's very easy. Okay, so you have to remember this. Now when the multiplicand digits are less than the multiplier digits, what you get to do? Just subtract the LHS, the 67, the multiplicand. Just subtract 1 from the multiplicand. Okay, that will be the same. Now what you have to do with the multiplier? Multiplier, you have to subtract the, what you will get from here, the LHS or LHS. Okay, you have to subtract with adding 0 before those digits, those number what we get in our LHS answer. Okay, so we have to subtract from our multiplier just adding 0, by just adding 0. Okay, so like right here it was 66 our LHS, and when we subtracted we just wrote 0 before it, so it was 066. Okay, so 999 minus 066, and that was 933. Okay, so in this way you have to do it. Let's take up another example to clear all your confusions and all. Okay, let's take up another question. Okay, so this one we're gonna take a bigger one. Okay, so this is the multiplicand is 645, and now what's the multiplier? Okay, so this is a big one, and this is 6 times 9. Okay, 9999999. Okay, so you have to multiply this 645 by 6 times 9. Okay, it's if you would have heard before the Vedic maths classes, you might have been confused and gotta be a bit scared of multiplying this, because the traditional multiplication method, it's really so lengthy, lot of steps and all. But with Vedic maths you can solve this in seconds, right? Okay, so how are we gonna do? So make two lines, our traditional method. Okay, LHS and RHS, right? And for LHS, what you got to do? Just subtract 645 minus 1. Okay, so 645 minus 1 is 644. Now what we have to do? Okay, so here there are more 9s, right? Okay, so this is 6 times 9. Okay, you have to subtract this, your LHS, from the multiplier, and that is 6 times 9. What you got to do? Okay, write the 6 times 9 and then the multiplier. Okay, I'm sorry. Write the multiplier, that is 6 times 9, and the LHS. Okay, and then the LHS. Okay, so that is 644. Now what do you get to do? Okay, so your LHS is 3 digits, whereas your multiplier has got 6 digits. Okay, so what you have to do is just add 3 zeros before the LHS one. Okay, so that will be 0000644. Okay, now what you have to do is just subtract them. Okay, so 6 times 9 minus 0000644, and what you get? That is 999,355. 999,355. Okay, and that's the answer. Combine both. So by multiplying 645 with 6 times 9, the answer is 644,999,355. Okay, that's the answer. I guess it's very easy, right? Okay, let's see you are able to solve it or not. Let's take a few more examples. Okay, let's take a few more questions. Okay, now this is 17 multiplied, you have to multiply by 5 times 9. Okay, so how gonna do it? Okay, write LHS and RHS, and what you got to do? Just subtract 1 from 17, and that is 16, right? Now what you have to do? The multiplier is here, okay, and your LHS is here, so just subtract. Okay, so before subtracting you need to know that this is 16, right? So before that just add 3 zeros. Okay, mentally you can do it, right? It's so easy. Okay, so just visualize, okay, that there are 6 three zeros over here, and then 1 6 written over here, okay, below the multiplier, right? Because you have to subtract from that. Okay, so what will be the answer? Okay, it will be 999 and 8, and then 9 minus 6 is 3. So that's the answer. So 17 into 5 times 9, the answer is 169983. Okay, see, you can solve this in, you are able to solve these questions, these tricky questions in seconds. Like, believe it, you are able to do it. Okay, so you can see now the power of Vedic maths. I mean, with these tricks, you can solve any question in like this seconds. Okay, it's very easy and enjoyable also. At least for me, I'm really enjoying it. Okay, now let's take up another example, and that is if you have to multiply 58 by 4 times 9. Okay, now what you got to do? Again, the LHS and RHS one. So for LHS, what you have to do? 58 minus 1. That is 57, right? Now, what next? 57, I mean this. 4 times 9 minus 57. Now, what you get? That is 994 and 2, right? The answer for 58 multiplied by 4 times 9, and the answer is 579942. That's the answer. See, we were able to solve it in seconds, right? It didn't last for a minute also. Okay, it wasn't able to trick us for even a minute. We were solve it like this with the help of Vedic maths. Okay, so this is the power of Vedic maths. Okay, so let's take up another topic. Okay, so our next topic is when the multiplicand digits are more than the multiplier digits. Okay, so this is gonna be a bit tricky. Okay, so do listen attentively. Okay, now let's begin. Okay, so this is our first question, and that is 378 multiplied by 999. Okay. Again, I want to repeat, with traditional method, it's gonna take a long, okay, but with Vedic maths, you can solve this in minutes, okay, like that, you can solve it in. Okay, so write down the LHS and RHS part, okay, I mean, make two lines and write LHS and RHS. Okay, now here's the tricky one is with the LHS one. Now what you gotta do is, cause 378, the multiplicand has more digits than the multiplier one, right? Multiplier is just 2 digits, and whereas the multiplicand has 3 digits. I mean, so what you gotta do? So here are 2 9s. Okay, 2 digits are there. So after 2 digits, put a line over here. Okay, if here 3 digits were there, so after 3 line, put a line. After 3 digits, put a line. Okay, if 4, after 4, put a line. Okay, so like this. Okay, so after 2 digits, because here 2 digit number is there for the multiplier one. Okay, so in the multiplicand one, after 2 digits, put a line. Okay, now this is 3/78. Okay, you get. Now what you got to do is in the digit before the slash. Okay, what you gotta do is add 1. You have to add 1. Okay, so this is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Right? Now what you gotta do is after you get 4, now you have to subtract 378. 4 will be subtracted from 378. Okay, so 378 minus 4 will be 374, right? Very easy one. Okay, so 374 is your LHS one. Now how you gotta solve the RHS one? Okay, so in first, when the multiplicand and the multiplier were same, I have told you that we subtract all from 9 but last from 10. Okay, so that rule will be applied here over also. Okay, so here this 78 one, the next one, the digits after the slash. Okay, the 78. Okay, so here you have to write the complement, we say the complement number of this. Okay, what's the complement? When we subtract all from 9 and last from 10. Okay, so all from 9 last from 10 means 7 will be subtracted from 9, and whereas 8 will be subtracted from 10, right? Because here 2 digits are only there. Okay, so cause here 99 is there, so 2 digits number is there, so that's why we have subtracted this 78, not 378. Okay, so 78 will be subtracted from all from 9 and last from 10, that is 9 from 7, and 10 will be subtracted, 8 will be subtracted from 10, and 7 will be subtracted from 9. Okay, so the answer will be 22, right? 9 minus 7, 2, 10 minus 8, 2. Okay, so combine both of these and the answer you get is 37422. That's the answer. Tricky one? Okay, we'll take another question. So let's take up another example to clear your confusions. Okay, so next question is 3274 multiplied by 99. Now what you gotta do? Okay, so first write LHS and RHS to make it easy. Okay, now since this 3274 has 4 digits, whereas your multiplier has just 2 digits, so after how many digits you have to put slash? 2, right? Okay, so 2 digits we have to put slash. Okay, now this will be 32 slash 74. Okay, now what you gotta do is 32 and 32, the digits before the slash, what you gotta do is just add 1, and that will be 33. Since here it's 32, so you'll add 1 and that will be 33. Okay, now 33 will be subtracted from our multiplicand, and that is 3274 minus 33, right? Okay, so what you get, 3274 minus 33, and that will be 3241. 3241, right? You get this. Okay, 3241. Now what you have to do for the RHS one, to get RHS, what you got to do? This is LHS 3241. Okay, now for RHS, what you got to do? Okay, since 99 has just 2 numbers, 2 digits. Okay, our multiplier has just 2 digits. Okay, so after 2 digits we have put slash. Okay, and those 2 digits were 74. Right, so 74 will be subtracted. How? All from 9 and last from 10 means 9 7 will be subtracted from 9, and 4 will be subtracted from 10, right? Okay, so the answer will be 26. Okay, so combine both and you'll get your answer. So when you multiply 3274, okay, multiplied 3274 multiplied by 99, what do you get? The answer is 324126. That's your answer. Okay, I know it's a bit tricky, but not that much. If you will listen, if you will understand this attentively, with focus, you'll be able to know what's going on, and you'll be able to clear all your confusions and all. If still it's left, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, last question to clear your doubt. Okay, last but not least. Okay, so this is a bit lengthy one. Okay, so I have taken more digits over here. Okay, so this one is the multiplicand is 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 8, whereas the multiplier is 999. Okay, so your multiplicand has 6 digits, whereas the multiplier has only 3 digits. Now just write the LHS and RHS, and what are you gonna do? Write 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 9, and since your multiplier carries only 3 digits, so after 3 digits put a slash. And you will get, okay, so before the slash you have to add 1. Okay, so here the answer will be 127, right? Now 127 you have to subtract from 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 9, right? Now what do you get? Okay, the answer is 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 1. I mean, the answer will be 1, 2, 6, 3, 5, 2. This is the LHS one. Okay? Okay, now since we have got our LHS one, we are over with the part. Now we move to the RHS one. And for the RHS, what you got to do? Okay, so that was a bit tricky one, right? Because you have to subtract all from 9 and last from 10. Okay, now this, before the slash we have done adding 1. Okay, so it's done. Just move it. Okay, now after the slash, okay, for the after the slash digits, what are you going to do? Write the complement, and that is all from 9 and last from 10. So when we subtract 4, 7, 9, okay, so 9, 9, 10, all from 9, last from 10. So what do we get? 1, 2, 5. So the answer, the answer when 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 9 is multiplied by 3 times 9, the answer we get is 1, 2, 6, 3, 5, 2, 5, 2, 1. This is the answer. Okay? So moving on to your homework and the questions for today. Okay, so for your homework, the questions are: first one, 64 multiplied by 6 times 9. Okay, what's the answer? Get to write. Okay, second is 901 multiplied by 4 times 9. What's the answer? Okay, now third question is 1645 multiplied by 2 times 9. What the answer? Okay, and last but not the least, and that is 427526 multiplied by 3 times 9. And what's the answer? Okay, so you have to write down the answer, and I'm gonna check and I'm gonna let you know the answers in the description box, okay, soon. Okay, but first you try, okay, and I'll check. Okay, then if you still have any doubt regarding the topics we covered or the topic we covered last week, any issue you are facing, so do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my level best to solve it in the next class. Okay, till then, prepare this, practice, write down the answers, and show off this to your friends that you know Vedic maths. Okay. And we'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye, see you, practice, bye.